Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I don't only work on trucks and other things like mountain bikes. I also do some handiwork on a Subaru Legacy. And I'm gonna show you how to install some LED backup lights. And they are the reverse lights that are in the trunk lid of a Subaru Legacy. So let's go do that. So we're going to install some reverse backup LED lights and some tag light bulbs that'll go right there. So first things first, what I'm installing here is the Auxito. I guess Auxito is the way. These are the backup lights, and they're supposed to be a lot brighter and make it easier to see when backing up in really dark areas or at night. And then I'm also installing these right here, which are the tag bulbs. So they're the little lights that shine down on your tag. So I don't know, I guess it's visible to a police officer or whatever the point is, but also these right here. And it also makes your car a little more visible at night. So let's go ahead and install both of these. First thing we're gonna do on the Subaru Legacy is we're gonna take these little clips. They're all over here. I don't know if you can see those. I'm trying not to get any of the sun in here, but all these little push pins, we're gonna remove those and peel this back, peel this section right here, peel this back so we can install these bulbs. Okay, let's see if we got enough out. All right, seems to be a little hung up on this little thing right here. That's the emergency release in case somebody locks you in the trunk. Let's go ahead, I'm just gonna pull the others out. And of course, after you're done installing the bulbs, you just reverse that. And this piece here, that I took off the trunk, you can just put in there. God, the sun is bright. Go. I've got the package all cut out. I'm going to, now that I'm under here, I'm just gonna, let's see. Usually, there we go. We just turn it to the left. This is the bulb here. Pop that out. Grab one of these new ones. And as you can see, it goes in the same way. Right like this. You just push it in there. And this will go up in here. And you feed that LED bulb right up in here. And there it is. Wonder what this little doohickey's for. If you know what that is for, you could leave that in the comments. It's another little plug-in. Interesting. All right, so let's do the other one. As you can see here, I'm just gonna pop that to the left. There we go. Grab this one. As you can see here, it only goes in one way. All right. And then we just put it up in there. Like I said, that will only go in one way. Now those are in. I've got both the reverse lights in. So let's see. Now I need to do these little tag lights right here above the tag. We're going to put these right here. And right here. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Okay, we got those out. I'm gonna go ahead and Put that in there like that. There we go. They just push in, it's really easy. And then if you can see that, let me just turn it. This one here. There we go. That was easy. Sure is a lot of stuff up in here, but I would be interested to know what this extra plug is for. If anybody knows, please leave that in the comment section below. Well, that's it. That's how easy it is to install these. The hardest part is pulling all the push pins out of here to remove, I guess it's the, you know, the rear trunk lid cover. And then, you know, you just put it back on and put all the pins back in. Okay, so the one in the center, you put in first. Let me see if I can line it up here. I'm doing this with one hand. Just push that push pin in there, and that'll hold it while you do all the rest. Right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Want to line up those holes. Just like that. And there it is. All the push pins back in there. And I've got new reverse lights and tag lights, if you can see those. It's kind of bright sun out here today. Here we have the OEM reverse and tag light bulbs that came with the Subaru. And because they were kind of a warm brightness, I went with the Exito LED reverse and tag light bulbs for this vehicle. Now, I'm going to also put these on the Tundra. These are super bright. They really help if it's foggy or raining, or if it's just a really dark area. They brighten it up a little more than OEM. So these are going to help out a lot. I'm glad I changed them out. And they, like I said, they're really good quality. And they seem to be a decent company. And we'll see how they do. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the little install of the LED bulbs going in the back of a Subaru Legacy trunk lid. It was pretty easy to do. The hardest part is pulling that back cover off and popping all the pins out. Other than that, you just replace the bulbs. You know, you remove them and you install them the exact same way. I would wear some sort of surgical glove because you don't want to get greasy fingerprints on those LEDs. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll do some other things with the Subaru, but mostly I'm going to stick to trucks. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you later. See ya.